because we want to know what the temperatures do with that level 5 cooler. I need to have a application tool. Test it. Let's see. Hoppa. So that will be a nice experiment if I can get that up and running. I don't think you see too much of what I'm doing here, but the thing is I need to install the software on a sticky, and I might have it on my other system, so just have a look. Let's see. Test 86. I'm not really convinced that this is it, but copy. Another file explorer. It looks to this one. Come on. Crystal disk info. And then test 83. I'm sorry. No more. Space available. Let's see. That piece of this info can give me the things I need. I want to have the temperatures listed. also did not even install the Samsung software. So I'm afraid I'm not in the position to test this hardware yet. I have to get my tools in order because it's a bit of a risk when I start testing and I cannot see the temperatures of the chips and so on. So sorry guys, I have to make another video about that. So I'm signing off for now, and thank you for watching me, just doing my thing. And Gary, if you ever see this video, thanks for your input and your wisdom in this matter. Okay, that's it for now. See you soon. Bye for now.